meat, pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese meat, olives, pepperoni, sweet potato, bell pepper, and mushrooms.
Roll out your pizza dough, put on the tomato sauce, and then put on the cheese.
For topping, we will use meat, olives, pepperoni, sweet potato, bell pepper, and mushrooms. Put the pizza in the oven at 212 degrees for 12-16 minutes. Let it cool down, then cut into 8 pieces.
Enjoy your pizza.
Puppies have an excellent sense of smell. They have good smell and hearing, and they can run fast and they can bite hard. My favorite animal is the rabbit. Rabbits have long mouth, ears, large eyes, and long high legs that allow them to hop. What is your favorite animal? See you next time. Hello, welcome to our show. Today we are talking about endangered animals. Endangered means there aren't many left. First, we will talk about the panda. Panda live in the forest. They're fair but don't eat meat. They eat bamboo. Their baby nose are pink. They're living the food for protection. Next, the polar bear. Polar bears live in the Arctic. They eat fish and seals. They have white fur. They have sharp claws. Their home is meeting. Save the animals. Thank you for watching. Welcome to our show. Today summer wears winter. Summer and skipping, summer and stopping, summer has water parks.
Summer has watermelon, summer has banana, summer has cold noodles. In winter, we can have a snow fight and make a snowman. In winter, we can eat oysters, sweet potato, and mango.